So what is the difference between a spreadsheet and a database? Well, this comes up quite often, and simplistically, the easiest way to describe it is that a spreadsheet is designed to analyze and not store data, and a database is designed to store and not analyze data. A database isn't going to do a huge amount unless you put a layer on top of it, whether that's something like Microsoft Access application or a full-blown online or desktop hosted application. So the key thing to remember is that if you're using your spreadsheet purely to keep lists, then frankly it's not much better than a piece of paper. Take an example of a list of employees where you're storing perhaps their forklift truck training records or something of that sort. You've got a date in there when somebody has a license renewal due, and you've got to go rummaging around the spreadsheet. You can sort it and filter it, of course, but in the end, you've got to look up and down the columns to find the dates that are coming up or the employees that are likely to be overdue. If you don't do that, then you run the risk of a compliance problem or of missing something important. A database, on the other hand, is going to sit on that date and it's going to serve it up to you, providing you've written the right queries and the right processes, and it will prompt you and warn you. So it can be proactive and it can say, look, this license needs to be renewed, get on with it. So you're in a much better position with a database to be able to reuse data, to be able to process data, put it in once, take it out in any form that you like, in as many ways as you like. So for example, if you're doing a year-on-year sales analysis in a spreadsheet, you've got to go and find last year's spreadsheet, maybe copy and paste the data across, make sure that everything lines up and do your year-on-year sales analysis. With a database, you don't have to find any data because it's already in there. You just create the report and produce it. So there are some fundamental differences and fundamental reasons why you would use one solution or the other. So if you want a little bit more clarity on that, or if you want to talk anything over, then do please get in touch.